Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja, for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Haley from the Farmer and the Southern Belle, and she had asked so many talented ladies to come along and join her collab in creating a beautiful tablescape for fall or Thanksgiving. I will be creating mine in a way that I can make a centerpiece, and the centerpiece I'm hoping to keep throughout the fall, and then I can just work the settings around it. So if I need to clean it up and just leave a centerpiece, I can do that. So make sure you check out the playlist as well as Haley's channel, which I will link down below in the description box, because you are going to get so much inspiration for your tablescape. So without further ado, let's get started. So I always like to give the surface that I'm working on, so a table, a good cleaning. So I took everything off and wiped it down. I'm using Mrs. Meyer's orange and cloves scented cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. And then I had this burlap runner that I was thinking of using because I thought it was wider than the table runner that I had, and I thought it would look good layered, but then I realized that the top of this table runner was actually wider than the burlap. So I just ended up using the table runner. I got that at Home Sense, and I absolutely love the little design on it. So the next thing that I do is decorate the table runner. I wanted something for the middle, for the centerpiece to be there that I can just leave after I'm done using the table for eating and stuff like that, and I don't have to remove it. We usually, whenever we have gatherings for anything, we create almost like a buffet table in my kitchen, and then we just come and sit down. So typically I just have the tables and the glasses on the table. I like to use different pumpkins here. I started off with the garland, and then I just build it up from it with different fall foliage, and then used different size pumpkins as well as different textured pumpkins. Some were wood, some were almost like straw, some were just plastic, ceramic, like all sorts of different textures and colors. And then I just added some cotton into places where it needed to be filled in. I also used some hay and like I said, just lots of different foliage, fall foliage. For table setting, I played around with a couple different options just to see how I liked it, but at the end I just settled with these round burlap placemats that I got from burlap.com and just my fancy china set. I was gonna use some chargers as well, but then decided against them. Just wanted to have it a little bit more simpler. I think it looked the best with such a busy centerpiece. For napkin rings, I got these ones that I made myself last year. I will link the video up in a corner. And then the napkins that I used, again, I played around. I had these buffalo plaid napkins that I love using most of the time, and or these gray ones, but I did prefer the way the plaid ones looked, so I ended up using those. I tend to always just go for those. I don't know why, I just love the way they look. For wine glasses, I just wanted simple ones. I didn't want any ones that had any type of design or color.
so that way the centerpiece shine through the whole table setting, I guess. We often have soups as well, so I have the soup bowl here, and then I also include a fork, spoon, and a knife inside the table, inside the napkin ring. So here it is. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I love how rustic farmhouse it looks, and all the different textures and colors of the pumpkins. I think the napkin rings look great in this table setting, and I love the pops of orange and the burnt red showing through.
So I would like to thank Haley for putting this collab and getting us all together and getting our creative juices flowing. I am very pleased with the way my Tablescape turned out. I hope you love it too. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future upload. This is my home channel, and I share lots of cleaning and decor motivation, tons of full decor already posted and coming your way, so you definitely don't want to miss out any of these videos. And just so you know, in case if you do not know, I also have a DIY channel and a cooking channel, and they're all linked down below. If you feel like checking them out, I would love it. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.